How to adjust HSL in CapCut. So what is HSL? HSL stands for hue, saturation and lightness. So how you can actually adjust this in CapCut. So first of all, we will open up the CapCut application here, and then let's select us the video here. So let's suppose if we want to select this video here. So how we can actually adjust the HSL of this video. So let's select any other video because this video quality is not good, is not looking good. So let's open up this video here. Okay, and how we can actually adjust it. We will simply go to the adjustment. If you scroll to the right, you will click on adjustment here, and if you scroll right to these options, you will see the HSL option here. You will click on HSL, and from here you will see different colors here. Okay, like a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and something like this. So let's suppose it, if you want to adjust the yellow color in this video, you will tap on the yellow color here, and you will see these three different options there. First one is hue, then saturation, and this then luminance. Okay, so we can actually change the hue if we drag this slider here. If you want to increase the saturation, you can increase and decrease by this, and then luminous by this one. And if you want to adjust the green color in this video, you can simply adjust it by doing this and this. So that's basically how to adjust the HSL in CapCut. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.